Searching for the perfect place to host your events, trainings, seminars, and workshops? Let me give you a tour inside. Believe me, you'll love this. Spacious, professional, and designed with comfort in mind. Our rooms are perfect for gatherings of every kind. Equipped with high-speed internet, a multimedia setup, and all the tools you need for a seamless session. Whether it's a brainstorming workshop, a corporate training, or even a team seminar, this space inspires productivity and creativity. Our amphitheater with a seating capacity of 100% is the perfect space for your every occasion. Whether you're hosting a ceremony, conducting a workshop, or engaging in group activities, this versatile space will make all of your events unforgettable. So why settle for ordinary? Make your next event extraordinary right here, and booking is just one call away.